Innovation for waste minimization.
This is a Becca model E100M manual paint spray gun cleaner. It is made in the USA. The features include a switch for turning the flow brush on or off, a foot pedal to activate the flow brush or power pistol, a flow brush with stiff bristles and adjustable fluid flow control, a power pistol with adjustable fluid flow control, an OSHA approved blow-off gun with adjustable airflow control, a Becca water-resistant power clean compressed air quick disconnect with adjustable airflow control, a 5-gallon Waterborne cleaning solution container, an air regulator with water trap and shutoff valve, a clarification kit which has 3 5-gallon containers plus a set of dual filters and a bubbler for easy agitation of the fluid during the offline flocculation process. A starter kit of Becca Water Wave and clarifier packets. Laminated posters with gun cleaning instructions in English and Spanish, and a step-by-step clarification instruction. Optional Heater 5 general purpose or optional Heater EXP Class 1 Division 1 heat on demand systems both raise the fluid temperature to about 120 degrees, making the spray gun cleaner more effective.
Innovation for waste minimization.